A very good day, everyone. Today I want to show you how to add custom music to OpenRCT2 with the new save format. What we are going to start off with is we have our MP3 file, which is one of my own songs that I'm working on. I use this one as example. You can use any music you want in any type of music that Audacity accepts. Where you're gonna need to have Audacity installed, and I recommend getting something like Notepad++ installed for easy of use. To start off, what we want to make is a custom Park object file, which is just a regular zip file. You can do this with Windows themselves, but you can also do this with WinRAR or 7-zip. I recommend WinRAR. Personally, I prefer that. 7-zip works just fine as well. And what we do is, I'm gonna call this one rSpecs.music.space.zip. Replace zip for Park object. You can just open Park object just fine, like a regular zip file. As you can see, right now, it just opens just fine. Next thing we want to do is we go and open and make a new text document that we're going to rename to object.json. There you go. And you open it with Notepad++. Then you can copy and paste my preset that you have down here and paste it in the JSON file and then rename it to whatever is necessary. So in my case, it's rSpecs.music.space. That should just fine. Then the artist for this song is me, so Crash van Galen Last. Here you go. Then make sure to name it to what you have named the WAV file in a minute. So we'll see how we're going to name that in a minute, but I'm going to call it space.wav. And the title is going to be ambience for now. There we go. Now we want to display it in the game. What my intention is to call this Galaxy style. So there we have it. This is the JSON file. This is all you need to do for the JSON. Here you go. It's saved. Add it to here, and then you can just drag it into your Park object file. Up next, we go and open Audacity, and you can drag in your file like so. Here you go. What I recommend doing is, if you want a looping song, just open a DAW like FL Studio and cut it to where you want it to loop, so you can hear it in the game looping as well, so it doesn't just end and is silent for a little bit. I've done it with several tunes, but you don't have to do it. It loops automatically anyways, but if you want a seamless loop, you can always do that on your own. What you want to do is put the project refresh rate over here to 2250 Hertz. There you go. And after that it's done, you can just save it and export it as a WAV file. In my case, I have all my stuff saved here, and I can do space.wav. This is the encoding is usually set to 16 or 424 PCM. You can just set it to 8-bit PCM for the lowest file size. You can do it any file size, but I recommend keeping the file size as low as possible, so it doesn't take as long to load and it doesn't make a massive file for other people to download. Just save the file. Here you go. What I usually do is then click on export again so I can easily find it back. And I'm gonna drag it to over here. Here we go. Then we can add this file to here as well. And now you can copy the file over to your OpenRCT2 objects folder. Here you go. Open OpenRCT2. Here you go. And as you can see in the object selection under here, you can now find the galaxy style right there. Load it in. Galaxy style. And there you go. Your music works. That's all you need to do. I hope this tutorial was useful. You can make some custom music, and can't wait to see all you use your custom music in your parks. Have a very good day, and I will see you another time.